Alright, let's start. New document, part, okay. And we are going to create this. So first, the unit is in millimeters. So we go here, make sure it is in millimeter. And dot plane. Let's start off with a circle first. Go dimension. So that is 56 millimeters. 56. Oops, never mind, it's not 56, that's just whole. So the whole thing is 75 millimeters. Sorry, 75. 75. Okay, and then we're going to extrude. Extrude 75. There we go. Now we're gonna start off with the hole. So click the surface, right click, sketch, not this, sketch, and you press the space bar and this, or you can click this and this. So either way it works. So we're going to circle is, so let's see what's the dimension. So the dimension for the circle 56. 56. There we go. Now we're gonna extrude cut. We're gonna extrude cut 10 millimeters. So to move around, it is 10 millimeters. There we go. And you do the same thing to the other side. There we go. Space bar. Click this. 56. 56. Extrude cut 10 millimeters. Okay. There we go. Now, next, we're gonna, so this is to all, so we have this keyhole. So, alright, so that is 38. So 38. Click this space bar. And that was 38. There we go. Dimension 38. There you go. And make sure you don't forget this keyhole. So which is 41. So 41 minus 38, which is 3. Sorry, which is 4. My bad. Alright, so, oh, never mind, it's 3. Okay. So click the rectangle and click the center. There we go. smart dimension. So this one was 10. And then from here to here it's 3, because 41 minus 38 is 3. There we go. And next we have to get rid of this, so we'll do trim this whole thing. There we go. Now, as you can see, this is blue. We don't want blue, so to define, you click this and the center of the circle. There you go. And you got your fully defined. And now we'll do extrude cut. So up the surface, and it will be up to here. Click OK. There we go. Done. So spacebar. Let's see how it looks. Click this. There you go. So next we're gonna make this part. So it is 113 millimeters. So we're gonna start from the bottom and make sure you click this. Don't worry about dimension right now. There we go. Make sure you get that hidden lines. There we go. Escape, press escape. And now it is 113. And this one is supposed to be 75. Why is it not working? Okay. 75. There you go. See, before it was blue, now it's black. And now we have to create this arc in order for us to extrude. So the easiest way is to press this circle 0 millimeters. There you go. Okay, and you trim this side of the circle. There you go. See? So this means that you can extrude now. So features, now we can extrude this way. Extrude. So as you can see, it's that way, so you just change direction, you press this. See? There you go. And that is 28. Alright. Next, we are going to create this whole thing. So press this surface, sketch, spacebar, click this, and now. So just make a do this, and that. There you go. And we have to create this as well. So just select this, select the center point, straight plus slot. There you go. Don't worry about dimension. There you go. Now click, make a line from here to here. Escape. There we go. Now we will trim. Oops. Trim. There we go. And trim this as well. My bad. You didn't have to create that line. There we go. So now we will dimension. Make sure this is at the center. So there we go. So from here to here, 19. As you can see, it's not centered. So to do that is to select this, control this. Oh, sorry. This, control this point, and you press vertical. There you go. Now it's at the center. So now the height is 20. Oops, my bad. Select this, 25. Oopsies. Wait, escape. How come this one didn't change? Interesting. Okay. So let's control this, and we're gonna say equal, and now you press 25. There we go. Finally. Okay, so as you can see, it's still blue. We don't want that, so make sure this is 9.5. Yep, 9.5. There we go. Got black for that. And then from here to here. Oops. Error. So from here to here. Nope. So what you can do is delete all this, because you know dimensions are right. Select all the lines. Oops, my bad, not that. Select this, control, there you go, and you can press fully define sketch. There you go. Easy. So now you can extrude, and we have to extrude up to 28. chain direction. Oh wait, it was, sorry, it was 20, yeah. There we go. Almost done. So now all we have to do is create this flat, which is radius of 10 millimeters. Let's go back. Flat. This. Make sure it's done. There we go. And this is the model. There we go. Exactly the same.